Hi, today we're going to complete our derivation of pratama purusha of bhu-lat. Pratama purusha bhu-lat. And that means that we are going to derive pratama purusha bahuvachana lat of bhu. So since the agent is of plural number now, the suffix chi follows the root, as we've discussed previously, tiptas chi, tiptas chi. So we now have bu and chi. Now by a sutra 713, jontaha, ant replaces the ch of chi, the j of chi. So now we have ant plus e, anti, bu anti. So ant has replaced the j of chi, and we have bu plus anti. Now, anti gets the sarvadhataka sanyaha by virtue of tingshit sarvadhatakam. Well, you might say, how is that exactly? Where is ant in ting, or chit for that matter? Well, this is where a sutra we've mentioned in passing before, Stanivat adesho analvidao, stanivat adesha. That's the key to it, which is a substitute, and adesha shall be like the stanin, stanivat. So this can go very deep. In this case, we need to see that ant in anti is still ch of chi. So it still retains the j-ness of this thing that was the ch that was replaced, and therefore it is chi enough to be ting, tiptas chi. So as a result, anti is sarvadhataka, has the sarvadhataka sanya. And therefore, as we've seen before with the sutra kartari shap, shap follows the root, which is followed by a sarvadhataka ending. So anti is a sarvadhataka ending, because tingshit sarvadhatakam. Bhu is the root, shap comes in between, and as we know, the sh and p of shap are it, so we now have bhu anti. Now by sarvadhataka ardhadhataka yoho, which we've seen again, the root is replaced by guna when a sarvadhataka or ardhadhataka ending follows. So, and we've gone through this, the u of bu is the ikaha, because this is a express guna operation. So we now have bo anti. Bo anti. Then by the typical sandhi rule, ho yavayavaha, the o followed by a is replaced by bhav, by v. Yeah. So we now have bhav anti, bhav anti. And now there is another sandhi rule, which we have not yet discussed. It's a little specific, as so many of them are. This is 6197, and that is ato gune, ato gune. And by that rule, a single guna replaces both as that we now have, because we have bhav and anti, so we have two hrasva as together, and by ato gune, both of those hrasva as are replaced by a single guna, and by stanitratamaha, the most similar guna to a is a. So in place of the two as, we now have one, and that leaves us with bhavanti. That's our form. So there we have now completed the Pratama Purusha forms of bhulat, and we will move on next time.